Master Oogway would choose someone who actually knew Kung Fu.
Yeah, or could at least touch his toes.
Or even see his toes.
Hoo ha hee ha. Got the cord, get the cord.
Ah!
Get the cord, get the cord, get the cord. What are you doing?
Are you filming the Kikis?
Don't be mean. Okay, watch. Look a straw. 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 A straw. Straw. Get the straw. Get the straw. My straw.
Oh, hey, hi. You're up.
And now,
I was just, someday, huh? Kung Fu stuff is hard work, right? Class up sore?
I've had a long and rather disappointing day, so, yeah, I should probably get to sleep now.
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
It's just, I'm such a big fan. You guys were totally amazing at the Battle of Weeping River. Outnumbered 1,000 to 1, but you didn't stop, and then you just...